Then we have subject, location, price, and spaces stored in a view object. Okay. And after that, add to cart button. Then number of spaces. Okay, we'll just write spaces reduced for each click, and okay, no change happens if the number of space equals 0. Okay, interaction must be okay. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, let's begin. What's that? Go here, create a new file. I'm gonna call it index. Then for now we have nothing in the HTML file. Now we're gonna Sublime Text. So I'm just using Sublime Text, and then you can use whatever you like. So we're just gonna write Coursework 1 group. Okay. So few things to keep in mind. We need to have our CDN. We need to have our CDN over here. This is the Vue CDN. Okay. Now we're gonna have our main part div. Okay. So we're just gonna give an ID of an app. Okay. And then let me just show. Alright, we're just gonna use site name. So the curly brackets in this situation will just retrieve from the data of Vue. Okay, so okay, so we're gonna go here a bit lower. Okay, we're gonna type script. Okay, so we're just gonna write that app equal new view. Now we're just creating the application. Now we're gonna connect our div. So our div name is app, and that's it. So here's the data. So we're gonna write site name is after school lessons. So we're just gonna save that, and then we're gonna just run this file. Give it a moment. Okay, now we have an issue. The issue is that we're not able to render the site name. Okay, why is that? I might have made a mistake somewhere. Oh, I think that's all. There we go. My bad, my connection was wrong. We have to use semicolon not equal to. So next part is the lesson. Okay, so we're gonna display our lesson first. Let's not create a new div. And then I'm just gonna add a few p tags. Okay. I think 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 p tags. Okay, so I'm gonna label them. Stop rotation. Price, then number. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna write like that only. Okay, so that is done. Oh. Okay, so we're able to render those. Now we're gonna create an object for lessons. Okay. Object. So just a reminder, we don't need to have quotations for numbers, only for the text we're using. Okay, so we're just gonna write span. So we're gonna use vtext for this part. Okay. So if we check, we're able to get maths, even though I have only made a span object. So we go here, we're able to get all our subjects. Now we'll make an add to cart button using Vue. Okay, so button just says add to cart. Okay, there's our button, and then in the button we'll write the on click. Cool. And then yeah, so after this we're gonna create a method. Okay, or no, first we'll create a cart. We have to create a cart object as well. This is just an extra you have to create separately. There's nothing special. Okay, then after that we're gonna create methods. So in methods we're gonna have an add to cart. Please make sure that these are case sensitive. And this is a function. Okay, so well, in this function we only need to do is to reduce this number of spaces. Okay, other than that it was not specified in our criteria. So we're gonna use this dot lesson space equals this dot lesson dot space -1. So on each click it will just -1. So just to confirm that it's reducing, we're just gonna console.log. Okay, okay, that's it. And then for the space count, so let's just add over there. Okay, so if we go here, yeah, I've made a mistake. Why telling me the error? Card opening. Oh, okay. Just give me a second. Did I close these? 49 uncaught opening. Sometimes this just pisses me off. .24. It's saying that at line 49 we have an error uncaught. Am I supposed to hold that? No, that is not supposed to be on. It's supposed to stay there. Oh. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so our add to cart works. Okay, we're just gonna clear that. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here's the problem. We're able to go to -1 and it goes all the way to non-stop. Okay, so we're stated no change should happen if the space is 0. So we're just gonna create another criteria. It's called computed. Okay, now we're gonna add a function called space count. Okay, so we're just gonna say return this dot lesson space less than 0. Now what did I do wrong? You're saying my computer method is wrong? There we go. So yeah, that's it. Now what we have to do is this, but we have created the function, but the number still goes to 0 because we have to just stop the button from letting them go. Okay, so we're just gonna write disabled equals if space count equals 0. Okay, so if we go here, there we go, does not work anymore. We're not able to go below 0, and that is our point. So I'm just gonna add a little bit CSS. Other than that, we're pretty much done for the criteria that was asked. There's nothing remaining. So VON was done in VON click. No change happens after 0. That is done. Add to cart, reduce space is reduced after each click. So we have that. Display subject location, prices, and spaces stored in a view object. Here's our object lesson, and displaying them. That's it. So you can use two methods. One is a curly bracket. You have to put two curly brackets and put your name of the object, or you can use vtext. It depends on what you like. It depends on how you're coding your project. It really does not affect how it works. It's just based on your personal preference. So I'm just gonna add a little bit CSS and my media after that. So that's it. Hopefully you understood how to code the Coursework 1 group. See you later. Bye.